Hello guys, welcome to Anita Crochet. My name is Anita. So today it's just an update of what's going on right now, what I am working on right now. I have an order. It's a custom order. It's for a dress right there, and I've been really thinking so hard about how I'm going to execute this dress and not change a thing. Okay. So I've been looking out for stitches and trying to see how I can maneuver, and this was my first trial. I had worked with double strands right here, and I was feeling like I'm not really feeling this whole thing because I'm having really big, chains. I could call them chains. I'm having big chains, and I really wanted something very, like super, super thin. So something crossed my mind, and I was like, let me try using one strand. So with one strand, I got that gauge I wanted. Okay, because I've been trying this with a 4.5mm hook, and I know if I hook down, like size down my hook to a 3.5mm hook, I'll actually get the size that I really want, or a 4mm, but I would advise a 3.5mm hook. I know I'll get thinner chains right here. So I've been trying to see that I get the result on both sides. So for one side, which are the chains, I know I got it. So now I was trying the other side that has that sort of like zigzag or interlocked chains, and I felt like I'm not going to get that interlocked effect. So I was trying to work around the clock so I can get something that would possibly look like what is on the other side of the chains. Okay, right there, if you look closely at that dress, you can see the other side. And yeah, I think I got it. I am going to be sharing a very short tutorial on how to get this. Okay, I'm just not certain whether I'm going to be in position to work a whole tutorial for this dress, but hopefully if I find time, because honestly, one of these days I get so much headache. I'm using so much of my energy. Yes, I was saying I'm really working my brain so much. Sometimes I feel like I need some rest, but then when I get the rest, I lag back so much because I get used to the rest. Yes, so basically I am going to share a tutorial. I thought it would be this tutorial, but I may not, because my daughter just slept right now, like a few minutes ago, and I know I will wake her in the process. So yes, I'm going to make a particular tutorial for this because I just want to now try it out on like half of the dress and see that it really works. Then I'll get back and make a full tutorial on how to execute this. Okay, and I know that will be much knowledge to share for you guys so that you are in position to actually make yourself the dress. Or I may just make half of the dress, and that tutorial will just be me showing you how to make half of the dress and joining all the pieces together to have your dress complete. So either way, whichever tutorial I will share, I'll make sure, if it's not a tutorial for the dress, I'll make sure I share adjustments for you, with you, on how to make the dress. If it's for the dress, it will be like half of the piece of the dress for which you can follow to make the rest of the dress. All right. Yes, so let me see you guys in my next tutorial. For this dress, I'll let you know on my Instagram and share an update on how on when I'm going to be sharing that. Then for my next tutorial, I'm still thinking about what I should bring you guys. You can just put it down in the comment section below, and let's see what you guys want to see next on my channel. Someone sent me a picture of Davido's shirt. I'm still thinking about that one so much every day. I'm just caught up with some orders, and I'm also thinking about another Davido shirt, still crochet, that I want to share with you guys. Oh my god, I just want to do that shirt and share it with you. I watched it in a video of Davido, Timeless, is it? Yes, I'm thinking about that shirt so much right there. And hopefully, God willingly, I'll share a tutorial because I really want to share something, a male garment made of crochet, so I can like have some men have the confidence to wear our craft, because most of them don't actually have the confidence to do that. Yes, so let me see you all guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much. Goodbye.